So here we are driving on the way to Asahikawa. We can't fucking see a thing because of the blizzard.
This is fun.
Yeah, you're the one having fun. I'm the one trying not to get either of us killed while trying to make good time so we can actually get there.
I hope it gets thicker.
Why? Why would you say that?
It's more fun. It's more fun that way.
More danger equals more fun.
Danger's my middle name.
I like the soundtrack we got going.
I know, it's a good soundtrack.
Let me do some initial D style turns here.
Alright, here we go. We're drifting! We're drifting! Ah!
The moment we start drifting, I'm bailing out of this car.
You're gonna jump?
I'm just gonna undo the seatbelt and roll out. Oh, I can see. Thank God. We got a city coming over the horizon, it looks like. Oh wait, no, we're gonna, on your left is gonna come the Asahikawa ski jump, or the Pitpu ski jump. Yeah, there's a ski hill coming right now. Get a video of that ski hill go by. I wish they had those lights everywhere, because at least now I can see, so I don't mind going fast.